In Studio 57 this morning, tracking the extreme heat and severe weather threat that millions face today. Megan, nice interview with the president. What do we have today?
Well, Nora, we're looking essentially at a risk for severe weather, which begins today, continues through Thursday and into Friday. Right now, you can see the cloud cover showing the arc of rain from Michigan to Ohio. The greatest risk of severe weather today will extend from the northern plains and parts of the Midwest all the way down into Texas. There is the potential for damaging winds, for large hail, and possibly isolated tornadoes. And watch here as we roll into the afternoon, you'll start to see some storms bubbling up. And then watch that line of storms that continues to progress eastward going through the day on Thursday and into Friday as well. And pair this with the heat that continues for yet another day in the southern plains. We're talking about 93 degrees in Oklahoma City, 89 degrees in Amarillo. Also a very big risk for fire danger because of all the heat, low humidity, and windy conditions in that.
That's our Chicago station, our CBS station there. So, Megan, give us a sense. Where's Dorian now? And more importantly, where is it headed?
Right. And that is the question right now, because we know landfall is at its greatest possibility here within the next 24 to 48 hours. And that'll be somewhere likely in the Carolinas. It's a stronger storm now than it was just a few hours ago. Still a Category 2, but winds are up to 110 miles an hour. Already starting to lash parts of Georgia and South Carolina with tropical storm force conditions, moving north-northwest now at 8 miles per hour. So what happens? Basically, it's going on the outside of that ridge of high pressure that's been steering it, and eventually, potentially, a turn into the South or North Carolina coastline. That would happen anytime moving into early tomorrow morning, and then it's gone by Friday afternoon. At that point, no more concerns. It's out to sea. But we are still talking about the potential for storm surge. As you can see, Nora, anywhere along the area from Brunswick to Savannah to Charleston, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. Can't even rule out 8-foot storms.
WBBM in Chicago joins us now. So, Megan, what have you seen change today in this storm's track?
Right. Today, it's becoming a little bit more certain that that turn to the north is going to happen, Nora, but it has yet to occur. And right now, it is still sitting stationary, not moving at all over Grand Bahama Island. It's been over the Northwest Bahamas for over 30 hours already. We likely have another 24 hours. But eventually, while we've lost steering currents for now, this trough where you see that brown area right there, it's going to pick the storm up and start to accelerate it on off to the north and northwest. That's when it will make its closest approach to Florida. This occurs probably as a Category 3 storm, rapidly accelerating and then becoming an issue for the Carolinas as we move into Thursday and Friday. So this storm not done yet, but we are waiting for that very critical turn. I think the closest approach to hurricane force conditions in your area, Nora, will likely be tomorrow evening.